Most people these days understand clearly that their metabolism plays a crucial role in determining their body weight, as it influences the rate at which the body converts food into energy and burns calories. It is no longer mysterious to observe that while some folks find it easy to burn fat and maintain a certain body weight, others have just little or no control over their metabolism. With that being said, here are some factors influencing your metabolism. Number 1. Genetics. Some people inherit a faster or slower metabolism. 2. Age. Metabolic rate typically decreases with age. 3. Muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even at rest. More muscle mass results in a higher basal metabolic rate. 4. Hormones. Hormonal imbalances, like thyroid hormones, can affect metabolism. 5. Gender. Men generally have a higher basal metabolic rate than women due to higher muscle mass. An ideal weight loss technique is one that works across board for almost any body type, adapting your diet to include natural fat-burning food or drink, which is efficient, quick, and safe. This is why Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is highly recommended. See details below. Losing weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living a healthier, happier life. But let's face it, the journey can be tough. That's why Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is available to help. It's designed to support you every step of the way, making your weight loss journey 10 times faster, easier, and more effective. If your metabolism is slow, your body burns fewer calories, which can lead to weight gain if dietary intake is not adjusted accordingly. Boosting metabolism can aid in weight loss by increasing the number of calories burned with the help of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Here are some other tips to help you lose weight pretty quicker. Hydration. Drinking water can temporarily boost metabolism. Sleep. Adequate sleep also supports your metabolic health. Understanding these aspects of metabolism can help in creating effective strategies for weight management tailored to individual metabolic rates and lifestyle factors. Before we go, here are some more free tips to help with your weight loss. 1. Professional help. Consult a dietitian or personal trainer for personalized advice. 2. Healthy snacks. Keep nutritious snacks on hand to avoid unhealthy choices. 3. Plan ahead. Prepare for situations like dining out by looking up menu options in advance. Don't wait any longer to start living your best life. Take control of your weight loss journey with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. You deserve to feel confident, healthy, and happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.